Hi everyone, this is Archie from Archie Rocks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Lego Siren Head. This is what you will have at the end of today's video, so let's get into it. These are all of the pieces you will need to build your Siren Head. As you will notice throughout the video, some of the pieces are odd coloured, like most of the pieces are white but some of them are like grey or black. That's just because I didn't have any like white ones of these or white ones of these. It would be all better in grey really, but I literally have no grey pieces. So, pardon me. Let's start with the torso. Normal skeleton torso with the skeleton legs. Just put the skeleton legs at the bottom like so. Just like you normally would when building a Lego skeleton. Next we're going to move on to the legs. Like I said before, odd coloured. This one kind of looks like a marshmallow. And put this on the end of this stick. It doesn't matter which way, you can put it on this side or this side, each will be the same. And put it at the bottom of your legs. Like that. And do the same with the other leg. Yeah. So, your siren head should look like this for now. Just a skeleton with very long legs. Next, we're going to do the arms. Hello? Yes, I am. Sorry about that, it's just my sister. Next to the arms. None of you will probably even have this piece, so you can just use a different one, it doesn't matter. This is just one what I got from one of those Wilco block sets. It's supposed to be like a dinosaur's fingers. So this is your Siren Head now. Well, he's not really Siren Head yet, but after this part he will be. So get your two tap-like pieces and place them in opposite directions. You can also twist it around like that so it'll look better. And now put these in to these like that on either one. So then you've got the sirens. And now the grand finale. We've got Siren Head. I'd just like to say before the video ends, my little sister Annie now has a YouTube channel called Annie Rocks. So if you would like to go check her out, then yeah, go do it. Right as this video ends. She's only got one video at the time of recording this, but she might have more by the time it's posted and watched. But yeah. Just made our first video yesterday, so go check it out. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.